So here I am inside of my ChatGPT account. I am using 4.0 and this is my prompt. I typed it out and now I'm going to paste it. And it says, you are a business startup consultant. I'm in the early stages of launching a business, but haven't decided on a specific idea yet. I'd like your help analyzing my background to choose a lucrative business I can realistically start. So here's what you need to know. And here I am going to type my skills and my experience. Let's see. I'm good with AI. I enjoy talking to people. What else of my skills and experience? A bachelor's degree. I am a cruise retreat host and educator. And let's see if there's anything else I want to put in there. Let's see. I am a video creator. Okay, so now my interests are cruising, eating, reading, creating, and I guess that will do it for now. Let's see, startup time frame. When do I want to start? I want to start in 30 days. Oh, this is 30 days. So let's get rid of all of this. Now you can tell it you want to start quickly. You want to tell it, give you 3 months, 6 months, whatever the time frame is that you want to start. And so let's say I have no funding. So I have no funding and only, let's make it really low, $100. $100. So you want to put in there what you have. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down here and we're telling it its task to analyze the information provided and recommend 1 to 2 business ideas. You want to align those with your skills and interests. You want it to be launched within the desired time frame and require no more than the funding that's available. You want to tell it to ask you up to 5 targeted questions, and this is going to help you to identify the audience or who you're going to reach. When you're telling it now at number 6, once I respond, create a detailed client persona based on my answers. And you want it to include everything, any of the demographics, motivations, pain points, and buyer behavior. So I'm going to tell it to go ahead, and then we're going to watch ChatGPT work. And it's telling me that the business idea that I can do in 30 days with $100 is a cruise retreat AI coach. And it's saying digital products and consulting. So that's the first one that it tells me. And then the next one that it tells me is talk to AI for business micro workshops. Now, this is funny because these are 2 things that I already do. So now the questions that it's asking is here. They want to know, who do you naturally attract or help most? What's a problem people often ask you to help with or something you enjoy solving for others? Are the people you want to serve more likely to pay for a course, consulting, or digital products? Do they already know about AI and cruises, or do they need to be educated first? Do you need to educate them first? Finally, would your ideal client be more active on Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube? So these are the questions that they come back with. Once these questions are answered, they are going to go ahead and create a full client persona. And that will be in the next video. In order to see that when it comes out, please like or subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when it does the actual persona for me. In the meantime, God bless you, God keep you is my prayer, and watch the next video up top. It's going to help you do prompting.